Are you sick of replacing your heels on your stilettos? Or are you tired of your white tennis shoes getting dirty? Well, I've got some really cool hacks I'm going to show you, so stay tuned. Hey guys, Erin here with Wardrobe Packers, and today I'm going to talk about some really cool hacks that you can use on your shoes to, have them last longer for you. All right, so some of these things you have in your home, just some really awesome ways to, help extend the life of your shoes. The first one I'm going to talk about is if your leather shoes get wet. Say you come in from the rain from your car and they're wet. What you can do is grab some newspaper, and all you're going to want to do is just crumple up the newspaper and then stick them in your shoe. Now, what this is going to do is going to absorb the moisture from the rain, and it will get off all the water. Really, really awesome and free. So you're going to just want to fill this up though to make sure it absorbs everywhere. All right, next hack I have is for all of us that wear stilettos or really nice shoes to a wedding. So if you're going to an outside wedding, you're probably going to be walking on grass, which means the heel of our shoe is going to be falling into the grass and right into the mud. And if you've spent a lot of money on your shoes, that's just going to ruin your shoes. So a really cool product is called the Go-Go Heel. It's actually a stopper, and it's clear, and what it does, it allows your heel not to go down into the grass or gravel, even cobblestone. It's really awesome. And it comes in different sizes, so from the extra small to medium. And right here it has a really neat place where you can measure to see what type of go-go stop you need. This one in particular, this shoe that I have, would actually need the extra small. So I'm just going to show you here. What you would do is you would just put it on, and it would allow this flat surface on the bottom for your heel to not go into the grass. Really great product, and it's going to be about 10 bucks off Amazon. All right, the next product that most of us have in our home, the magic eraser. These are the best things ever. If you don't have them, you really need them. Not only are they great for cleaning up your white sneakers, but they're also great for getting things off of the wall. Mr. Eraser, you can get a good 4-pack, or this is actually an 8-pack for about $8. All right, another cool hack. Do you get blisters on your feet? Well, lip balm. Most of us have these in our purses. All you're gonna do is just rub lip balm on the toe or the back of the heel before you put your heel on, and it's gonna help with not getting blisters on your toes. Just a cool, easy hack for you. All right, next product. This is for all of us ladies that wear our high heels to work and are usually wearing them on an everyday basis. Don't you get tired of the cap falling off your heel? You've spent $100 on a pair of heels, and then all of a sudden you're walking on the nail. I used to work outside a lot. That used to drive me nuts. Well, there's a really great product for that, and it's called Quick Tips. And it's actually 16 bucks off Amazon. You're going to get 4 different sizes, which means that could go for 4 different shoes. You're really paying like $4 a shoe if you lose the cap off your heel. What's awesome about it is what you're going to do is you're going to just, once you lose this cap, you're just going to replace it just like this. It's going to go over. You're going to push it in, and ta-da. It's like your shoes are brand new. How amazing is that? Love this product. Okay, another one with wearing heels, or even if, wearing guy shoes. If your toes are a little tight, all you're going to do is get a Ziploc bag of water, and you're going to stick it in to the toe, just like this, and then stick it in the freezer. Easy as that. It will actually expand the toe for you. So no more hurt toes, no more blisters. Easy and free. Another free one is if you have, a new pair of shoes. Now, these are not my new pair of shoes, but if they were and I wanted to kind of, get more traction on them where I'm not going to fall, grab some sandpaper. All you're going to do is rub all over it. A little bit of sandpaper, no more falling. Awesome. Okay, next and last one is going to be the arch, the hidden arch. So if you wear flats a lot and your feet hurt, your arch hurts, all you got to do is get some Dr. Scholl's. These hidden arches are going to make that pain go away. This product is going to be about $6 off Amazon. All right, so I've showed you some really cool products. I actually have an article with 19 products on there, or just hacks and ways to extend the life of your shoe. So go ahead and check that out. And if you like what you've seen, definitely like this video, share it with your friends, and go on YouTube and subscribe to our channel. It's Wardrobe Hackers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.